You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4.
All right, please open up your math books to page 255, which looks like this. On the top there, you have some tablas en tres. The good thing about this is that they're in twos. You can see that? There's 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. And they give this, and we have 5 por 5 son what? Well, the good news is that this one down here has the answer to this one up here. And this one up here has the answer to this one down here. So you can go ahead and do these. And if you've been doing your flashcards, your tarjetas, then you will know these without me having to tell you what they are. Okay? And if you haven't been doing them, you need to get on that. Because time is running out. You need to know your tablas before you can go on to 3rd grade. Okay? As I record this, this is week 32. There are only 36 weeks. There are only 4 more weeks left after this one before the end of the school year. So if you have not learned your tablas, you need to get on that. Okay? All right. Go ahead and do these. Okay. Next, we have these here, these lighthouses, these faros. They want you to do a circle, un círculo, with 1/3 of these lighthouses. Un tercer de esos faros. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is 1/3 of 6? What is un tercer de 6? What is 6 divided by 3? There's another way of putting that. 6 entre 3. So another way of saying it. Put your answer there and circle that many lighthouses. Go ahead. Next, it says add 100 to each number. So this is a suma. These are all sumas. I want you to add on 100, 100. So más 100. So we have 236 plus 100 is 336. 236 más 100, 336. Here we have 109, 109. Más 100 plus 100 is 209, 209, like that, okay? So do the same thing with these, okay? Add 100, más 100, there's the números. Put it down there. Okay? Now here we have some questions. What temperature would be comfortable for you to go swimming outdoors? ¿Qué temperatura? ¿En qué temperatura usted va a nadar en la playa? Which of these would be warm enough? Well, probably this one up here, 85, because these other ones are cold. It never gets below 65 here on Roatan. It's never below 65. No, nunca menos de 65 here on Roatan. So you wouldn't go swimming in that kind of weather. No, it's this. Okay. What temperature would be best to play in the snow, in la nieve? Which temperature would the snow? Well, snow is very cold. So you want a cold one, muy frío, right? So temperature very small. That's this one here. Okay. Then it says, which temperature would you be comfortable for you to play outside wearing a sweater? ¿Qué temperatura usted tiene un suéter? Well, for you people here, that would probably be this, 80 degrees, because you still think that's kind of cold. But for the rest of the world, probably about that. 60 would be where you would wear a sweater. Okay? Okay. Here on the back, you have some coloring you get to do after you do the sumas and restas. Okay? So what you do is there's a whole bunch of sumas and restas on this page. And what they want you to do is do them. and then find the answer, the respuesta, and look for the color up here. So let's just do one of these. This one here is 5 plus 3 plus 1. 5 más 3 más 1 is what? What color? What's the answer? 5 plus 3 is 8 and 1 is 9. So for 9, you would use this color, light blue. Okay, you color all that in so it looks blue. This one here is 7 plus 7, 7 más 7. What's that? It's 14. It's 14. So you use this color up here. It's 14, like that, okay? I have Mr. Santiago's book, and he did this. And here's what it looked like after he was done with it. Okay? So that's about what you're looking for. All right? So you go do all the sumas and restas, and then you color this in the colors that are, and then that's your math for today. Okay? So this will take a little bit of time, but you got time. I'm sure you do. So go ahead and do that. And when you're done, you can move on to your English.